Hey everyone, in this video I'm just going to go over doing some keyword research and starting to plan out how we can come up with ideas for clients for search PPC campaigns, so Google search ads. They're really competitive. There's a lot of people running ads there, and there's a lot of competition for big dental procedures, dental implants, smile makeovers, veneers, things like that. So we want to try to find keywords either related to those procedures or that might be indicative of people who are interested in those procedures, to try to create campaigns so that we can get maximum reach at the lowest possible cost. So a couple things are going to go into this. One, you have to think about the practice. I'm going to put this into the guide and into the process that goes through creating these campaigns. But a practice that is a cosmetic office, that's a spa-like environment, that does big cases, they're not going to be going after people who have a dental emergency and crack a tooth and are wanting to come in for a single implant, right? They're going for bigger cases. They're going for more cosmetic cases. So it's a different market, a different type of search phrase or term. Okay, let's go through and just kind of go through how we would start the search and how we would kind of start this process. You go to tools and settings, you go to keyword planner. Inside of the keyword planner, they're going to give you some options. So you can select an account. It doesn't matter. I'm going to select the account that we're working out of just so we can go right here and then discover new keywords. So go to discover new keywords. So what I want to do is, again, think about this office. So I know she's really big on implants. So what I'm going to do is do dental implants. I'm going to click get results. Now there's a couple things we're going to do. One, we're going to target it to Manhattan or New York City and just see for New York City. Obviously we don't want to be targeting areas outside of New York City because these are really only people that, this office is in New York City. Anyways, so we're going through here. You can see dental implants. So overall, there's a lot of monthly searches. There's an increase. So you can look at the year over year increase. So it's up 22%. And there's low competition, which is really good. Dental implants near me, dental implants cost. These are all keywords, that have low competition, which would indicate, that would be a good keyword for us to focus on. So we could do some campaigns focusing just on search terms related to dental implants. One thing you want to look out for and kind of check is, so now we have all on 4 dental implants. So again, not as many searches, but again, a big increase year over year. So you're just kind of looking at the total number of average monthly searches. Obviously, the higher this number, the better. So if we were to use these 3, we could get about 10,000 monthly searches. And you just want to use this as some kind of ideation tools for what we could do for campaigns. So you'll see what people are searching for. Permanent dentures, full mouth dental implant cost $399 $399 implant. So again, this would be more for a budget office. Our client is not a budget office; they are a dental spa in the financial district in Manhattan. So that wouldn't be applicable for us. So you just kind of affordable dental implants. Again, good amount of searches, low competition, but we don't really want that. So you just kind of go through and see what the competition is. Then let's go back here and see new smile. Again, average monthly searches, very low competition, big year over year change, but really, really low monthly searches. Again, we're targeting all of New York City, but we're not going to run our ads in all of New York City. We're only going to target a certain part of Manhattan. So whatever we're seeing here is going to be even lower than um, what, yeah, it would be even lower when we turn our campaigns on. So you see new smile. Let's do all on 4 and just see what we get for that. Okay, all on 4 dental implants. Again, decent amount of searches. Competition's medium. So you can kind of see some of this is a good one, all in four dental implants cost. Another example of what we can do, and this is something, so Clear Choice, they are a very well-known place for dental implants. We could maybe, come on. We could maybe pick off some of their traffic. So you see Clear Choice Dental implant cost, Clear Choice Dental. Again, a little bit higher competition, but a decent amount of increase in searches year over year and a decent amount of monthly searches. You can see right here, Clear Choice Dental locations that went up 200% from last year. They do a ton of marketing. You can see here, Clear Choice Dental Implant Center, 590 searches. So an option we could present to this client would be say, hey, Clear Choice does a ton of marketing. What if we pick off of their marketing and target these keywords and then present your office as an alternative option? The choice isn't so clear, and trying to kind of, throw some shade towards Clear Choice and drive people towards your website to learn more about your processes. Um, so that's another thing you can look into. This is just, and again, it's just an initial ideation tool. What I would do is for this, for example, so when I'm emailing the client, is I would take some screenshots to show them what our options are and say, hey, in New York, there's a lot of searches for dental implants and the cost and all on four dental implants and all of these things, and there's not a lot of competition, right? And show them this and send it to them, and this could just be the first step again of bringing them some suggestions and some ideas of what would be a good option and a good starting point for us and our campaigns. So I just wanted to go through this with you guys. I wanted to show you how I use this. This is one tool. There's other tools that we'll list that are really helpful in this process. But yeah, just going through kind of how to put together some ideas and begin the first steps of building a search PPC campaign.